Welcome to Machine.Africa. We are specialized in CNC and printing machines, installation, service, and repairs. We are the sole service provider for all AM.CO machinery. Come on in, let me show you around. Machine.Africa is a specialized division of AM.CO. We specialize in maintenance, inspection, and service of AM.CO machinery, delivering unparalleled service for all your CNC and printing machinery. As the sole service provider of AM.CO, we set the standard for excellence. Our elite technicians bring unmatched expertise to every task for intricate repairs and seamless installations, specializing in AM.CO.'s cutting-edge equipment like large format printers, fibre lasers, CNC routers, and more. Our team ensures peak performance with precision and care. Step into our dust-free laboratory, a rare facility designed for delicate, contamination-free repairs. This is where advanced technology meets meticulous skills, ensuring your machinery operates flawlessly. Beyond repairs, we offer bespoke machine installations and expert training to empower your team. Our dedicated troubleshooting hub provides instant remote support, while our fleet of service vehicles bring our expertise directly to you at your location. Machine.Africa, your trusted partner in keeping your AM.CO.za machinery at its best. Do you need world-class support? Visit Machine.Africa and click Get Support for rapid elite service.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.